Martin Augustine claims he brought his 2-day-old baby along with his wife for a checkup at the maternity ward of the Victoria Hospital, but says he was disturbed by what he found there.
We were in the sitting area waiting to be called by the doctors. However, it took a little while. As a matter of fact, my wife is still in there with my daughter. And I realized there was some dust particle coming towards the sitting area. A little while after that, I realized there was some scraping noise. So I went in to see what was happening. So I went to the nurses at the nurses station and I told them, what is happening here? It doesn't seem to be right to me. It's not healthy.
Mr. Augustine says to his amazement, some maintenance workers were scraping paint off a wall while there were many people present in the waiting area.
My issue is the hospital, part of the hospital is need painting. What could have been done is when everybody go home, the visitors leave in the evening, the patients are in their room, you can close the door and do whatever maintenance work you have to do. You cannot have people coming into a hospital where they're expected to be healthy, expected to get well, and is there people getting sick. Doctors are passing, shaking their heads, and I'm going to the nurses station to ask them a mask to cover my face, and everybody seemed to be watching me as if I'm speaking Greek.
Augustine asked to be relocated to a safer, more comfortable area, but was not happy with the response he got.
It was at this moment when I said to them, this is really not right and I will not stand for it. And I told them I will call the media and view it so the world will know. Because I think that things need to be done better. I also told the nurses, I think we have had enough bad publicity in our health sector, and instead of the workers and whoever is responsible doing something about it, when we get the opportunity, we shy away from it. But me, the job I hold, it's my responsibility to see that things are done right. It would be an indictment upon my part to see this thing happening as a news reporter and to let it pass by like that. I know that might bring bad blood between people, but guess what? My baby's health, at the end of the day, is my responsibility. And for the number of other mothers and children that were out there this morning, I speak on their behalf.
Nonetheless, Mr. Augustine says his wife received wonderful treatment from the nurses and doctors at the hospital during her delivery. And while he believes the paint scraping may well be necessary, it is being undertaken at the wrong time and without enough consideration being given to the health and safety of patients and visitors. For the DBS News World, I am Alex Bousquet.